guys, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, in this project today, very excited about it. Then we're going to be using two of these tags. You know, guys, these are my favorite tags. So I found them at the Dollar Tree, and they had a whole bunch of them, so I grabbed two more. Okay, so we'll be decorating these for a gift. Then we'll also be decorating it with, this is paper stock book. I got this from Michael's at clearance. It was a clearance item. So our paper stock, this is the one we'll be using. We're going to be using this matching to decorate. And then we'll also be using these stickers. I also got these from the Dollar Tree. This one says let go and let God. Okay, and then this one says Jesus loves you. And yes, I did take out a few little areas there to decorate something else I was doing. So let's jump right into the project because I'm very excited. We will be using twine. The twine, you can use it. You can buy it over at the Dollar Tree. And I did make two tassels with this, but this was a while ago. This was in my stash, so I figured I'd use it for this craft. Just realized these are the golf balls that are in the toy section of the Dollar Tree. I believe they're the golf ball, ping pong balls. Okay, so they come 6 in a pack. So I'm going to be using 5 for each one. And I painted those in the territorial beige ahead of time. And I didn't paint it evenly. I wanted it to be almost like distress. So I painted the ping pong balls. And it's in the territorial beige apple barrel. At the Walmart I got this. And we will be using the Mod Podge and the E6000, the sponge brush. Everything I used to create this project is down in the description box below. So let's jump right into the project. I'm very excited about this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put one layer of the Mod Podge on the tag. Now I did pre-cut the cardstock to the size of the tag ahead of time. Okay, so we're gonna have it wet. We're not gonna have it too, we're not gonna put too much, but we are gonna put enough. So see, I pre-cut these both pieces. So we're going to place this first one down. Okay, so we want to push that down. Okay, then we're going to move on to this one. We're going to do the same. Cardstock, and we are going to lay this one down. Now if there's anything in excess, I'd go ahead and, like here, I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. Okay, now this one, just a little bit on this side. So now guys, one thing I've noticed is that when I initially start using the Mod Podge, I will see a lot of lumps. I notice that after I seal it in and it dries, it seems to settle down. So if you try this at home and that seems to happen, try to get it down as much as you can beforehand. But I'm just letting you know it's happened to me a couple of times already where I think it's going to stay like bubbly, and then all of a sudden when it's dry, after I seal it in, it lays down. So now before I go back and seal it in, I want to show you what I'm going to do here. Now this one says Jesus loves you. So what I'm going to do is we are going to cut out the letters, and we're going to have to cut these letters out individually because I need the letters to be a little bit closer together. So let's start over here with the J. Now I am going to center this, so I'm going to start, I'm going to start right here. Okay. I was originally going to leave those leaves there, but I need the room. So we're going to come in as close as we can. So let me show you what we have. Now, don't forget the rest of the sticker's not on there, and it is a little bit, it's not exactly, the letters are not exactly straight because of all the designs that are on there, but I believe I got the Jesus where I'm happy. So then we're going to go ahead and we are going to, we're going to cut around here, and I am going to keep that leaf. Come here and put Jesus loves you. Alright guys, you see? Isn't that beautiful? Now we're going to come in and seal it. We got to be proud of our work. So the person receiving this is going to have a matching sign. Both of them are spiritually inspired. Okay, so this is what that looks like. While we're waiting for this to dry, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next tag. Now what we can do, since we have a full embellishment here, is we can go ahead and decorate around with it. So the first thing I want to do is cut this part off. I'm not really sure if that's in there, but let me cut this green dot out of there. So, let go and let God. So I'm going to cut out the let go because I want the let go to sit up higher, and let's take this off. Okay. So we want to come up higher. Okay, so we want to let go. So that's how this one looks. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at that, let go and let God. So now what I'm going to do is go back in and seal that, and then we'll go ahead and start decorating this. So now we're gonna give this one just a couple of minutes, and we'll start embellishing that one while this one is drying. So this is like a matching set for her wall. Now what we're gonna do is it holds approximately 5 of those ping pong balls along the top here, and the hanger's not gonna get in the way. I am gonna put a little bit of E6000 on this because I don't want it to fall off on her. So we're going to do a little bit of the E6000 and then a little bit of the hot glue. Isn't that beautiful? And we're not even done yet. We gotta put the tassel on there. Okay, so the tassel also, I'm gonna go ahead, we don't have to do this. I'm just gonna do this just because I'm on a roll here with this E6000. So I'm gonna lay that down. I'm just gonna lay that down a little bit there. We're gonna place this tassel right here in the center. Okay, so this one is done. I'm just going to place this here while that's cooling off, and then we're going to start on this one. While this is drying off, and remember, you don't want to push down too hard on this, okay? You just want to place it there and let the glue do its thing. Let the glue do what the glue does. I'm sorry, guys. It's late in the day. I'm just giving that a minute there. Okay guys, so let me just show you this one because this one is dry. This one I just set together. I don't want to touch it because I attached it in a different place, but this is what this one looks like here. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? This makes a nice gift. The hanger we never took off, and I think this makes a great gift. It is a matching set, so it says Jesus loves you, and then that one says let go and let God. So Thank you so much. Everything I used to make this craft is down in the description box below. I'm gonna wait a few minutes and then I'm gonna go ahead and hang this up so I can display this for you, and I will see you in the next video.